Okay, student number 150045, name Aaron Spratenbach. The name of my game is Fight Valley. The game concept is, the concept of this game is to fight against other players until the character doesn't have any functioning limbs to fight back, or using your environment to kill them. Example, pushing or throwing the other players off places that will cause the character's death. Genre, action, adventure, casual indie. Target audience, anyone who wants to just sit on the couch and laugh while they play against their friends or even by themselves. The only type of progression in the game is you have to, if you play survival mode, you go against wave of enemies, and the longer you survive, the more enemies there are. Also, if you play against other players, once they're all defeated, you'll move on to the next map. The look of the game will be low poly environments with different maps challenging the players to survive against other players. These are just examples taken from the internet to visually explain what the game would look like. Gameplay and mechanics. You and a friend fight each other by punching until the other person's limbs are broken and cannot fight back anymore. Another way to win is to push or throw the other players off places that will cause their death. The mechanics of this game will be a ragdoll system, damage taken, person losing after being pushed off the environment, and your limbs getting broken while fighting, leaving you to use other parts of your body. Gameplay. Progression, defeating the player and moving to the next map. Challenge to stay alive while fighting against other players. Objectives to fight against other players and try and use the environment to your advantage. Okay, same thing in mechanics in game fight till your limbs are broken and you cannot fight back. Then you have to push your player off in order to win. Physics, normal game physics. Objects. You can only pick up your friends by holding in, for example, right or left mouse button on the body and hold shift to pick up the body. Actions, picking up players, punching other players, trigger events, and colliders. Combat, there will be colliders and events on characters' fists and head and feet that will also give and take damage. Is normal screen flow. Once you press any key, it will take you to main menu, then you can go to options or customize your character. Or when you go and play, you can choose to play local or online. Replaying and saving, players can choose to replay the round if they choose to do so. Cheats and Easter eggs, there will be clothing that the characters can wear that is referenced to movies, TV shows, or other games. These are the concepts for areas for now. This is an open world where players will just run around and try to fight each other and push them off places. This is another map where players will play on a crane where they have to push each other off. And here's another map where players will play on an aeroplane and try again push each other off. Characters. All characters have the same looking body, but players can change the skin color and the clothes. All characters will have a ragdoll system and damage count on certain limbs, which will cause the limbs to not work once they have taken a certain amount of damage. Example, the character's arm will just dangle as it is broken. Training level, there will be an option for training. When this is selected, the player will play against an NPC to learn the controls. Visual system, the number of the round points for each player, and on a different game it will display what way the player is on. Control system, there will be different controls for if you're playing on the mouse or your computer or Xbox or PS4. The commands you'll get will be to move forward, backwards, left and right punch, left punch, jump kick, left kick, and right click, or even headbutt and lift up. Help system, this will show the different control buttons for the different controllers. AI. In survival, there will be waves of AI that you'll fight and try to kill you. Non-common characters, there are no friendly characters. Support AI players in collision detection, pathfinding, damage, and health system. damage to limbs. Hardware, the game will be able to work on any basic computer with normal graphics, with a decent graphics card. Development hardware and software, Unity. And network requirements, if you have a stable internet connection, it should be fine. Game art, this is the character and the normal base for the character, and soon you'll be able to change the clothes, hairstyle, and all of that. Monetization strategy, I was thinking of a once-off payoff, but also maybe some DLCs later on. Marketing strategy, publish updates of the game on the dev blog, upload gameplay trailer to YouTube and social network sites. Target market, anyone who's looking for a game where they can sit on the couch with their friends and laugh with each other. Play insensitive, they would buy the game because it'll be a funny game to play with friends. It's a great time waster if you're playing it on a laptop while waiting for something. Even waste time with a friend, and also it could be used in other games. Example, if you have a drunk game night. And yeah, module design, the rival system with the damage to limbs mechanic. User feedback, producing a survey asking certain questions. Analytics, achievements, how long does it take for the players to get to the next map, or how long it will take for the AI to finish, how for them to finish a wave of AI. Resources, Unity, and Puppet Master. And that's it.